Hello guys! Welcome to Babes Corner again. This is me, your friend, Babes. So ngayon guys, na nakikita nyo, wala tayo sa bahay ngayon. Nandito kami ngayon sa Padre Pio sa May Batangas. So ngayon, nandito kami para i-celebrate yung birthday ng mother-in-law ko. So tara guys, libutin natin ang Padre Pio dito sa Batangas. Alam nyo ba guys na napakalaki nitong Padre Pio Shrine dito sa Batangas? So eto ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa Station of the Cross. Napakalaki nitong lugar na to and napakasarap libutin and pasyalan. Dun sa mga, lalo na dun sa mga religious and mahilig pumunta sa mga different churches, isama nyo to sa list of churches na gusto nyong puntahan, tong Padre Pio Shrine. Lalo na kapag Holy Week guys, mas masarap din pumunta dito pag Holy Week, dun lalo na sa mga nagbibisita iglesia. Isa to, ilagay nyo to sa list nyo, isa sa mga list nyo na pupuntahan na churches sa pagbibisita iglesia ninyo. Itong Padre Pio Shrine sa Batangas. So, yan guys, nakita nyo yung kabuuan ng Station of the Cross dito sa Padre Pio Shrine. Ganda, no? Napakalaki ng lugar. The parish and national shrine of Saint Padre Pio, commonly known as Padre Pio Shrine, is a Roman Catholic parish church and pilgrimage site situated along Governor Antonio Carpio Avenue in Barangay San Pedro, Santo Tomas, Batangas, Philippines. It is consecrated to the Italian Saint Pio of Pietrelcina. It was administered by the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Lipa. The church was designated a national shrine by the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, making it the first in the province of Batangas and in the Calabarzon region. It became one of the venues for the Fourth World Apostolic Congress of Mercy held in the Philippines on January 16 to 20, 2017. Yan guys, kung nakikita nyo, napakadaming tao that day. And yung mga nasa harapan, yun yung mga in-laws ko. Yan, kasama ko sila, yung mga in-laws ko na nagpunta dyan sa Padre Pio Shrine. So, dyan nga kami nagsimba to celebrate yung birthday ng mother-in-law ko. So, ito guys, papasukin natin yung Sanctuary of the Relics of Saint Padre Pio. So, dito makikita yung mga relics ni Padre Pio. So guys, dito sa Padre Pio Shrine, so church siya, no? Walang entrance dito. And sa mga kagaya dito sa Sanctuary of the Relics of Saint Padre Pio, walang babayaran. So, free na pumasok and libutin and tignan yung kanyang mga relics. So, Padre Pio, guys, he is one of the most popular Catholic saints of the 20th century. Saint Pio of Pietrelcina, commonly known as Padre Pio, was a Capuchin Franciscan friar, priest, and mystic. Padre Pio is mostly known for his deep wisdom about prayer and peace, his stigmata, miraculous reports of his bilocation, being physically attacked by the devil, and mastering the spiritual life. Some of his sage advice includes 1,000 years of enjoying human glory is not worth even an hour spent sweetly communing with Jesus in the Blessed Sacrament. Do you know, guys, that Padre Pio was only 5 years old when he expressed a strong desire to serve God? He was born May 25, 1887 in Pietrelcina, Italy, as Francesco Forgione. He served as an altar boy at his local parish. At the early age of 5, he consecrated himself to Jesus. By the age of 10, his family looked to see how he could become a Capuchin friar. Padre Pio was only 15 when he entered the Capuchin Friars Minor as a novice. Being a younger teenager, Francesco was given the name Pio, or pews when he entered as a novice. He professed his solemn vows 3 years later. No stranger to suffering amid frail health throughout much of his studies. He was ordained a priest in 1910. He ascended the Gargano Mountains to the rural friary outside of San Giovanni Rotondo in 1916. He remained there for 50 years until his death on September 23, 1968. So, dito naman guys, yung Padre Pio's Chapel of Light. So, pwede kang magsindi ng candles dyan. And, meron silang different colors of candles. And, merong meaning. So, makikita nyo yun dyan sa photo na yan. Yung color of candles and yung meaning. Kung para saan yung candles na yun. So, yun. Kapag pupunta kayo dito, and gusto nyo magsindi ng candles, nandyan yung mga color of candles and their meanings. So, ito naman, papasukin naman natin ngayon yung Holy Water Sanctuary. So, dito makikita nyo yung santo ni Padre Pio, and para siyang nasa gitna siya ng parang may fountain ng holy water. And pwede kang kumuha ng holy water, no? Basta meron kang dalang bottles na paglalagyan, any kind of bottles. Wala naman siyang bayad. So, free na kumuha ng holy water. So, yan guys. Dito na nagtatapos yung video ko ng pagsimba namin dito sa Padre Pio Shrine as a celebration of my mother-in-law's birthday. Sana nagustuhan nyo. So, yan nga pala yung aming birthday celebrant that day, guys. Ang aking mother-in-law with my uniko iho. So, yan guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na to. And I'm sure nagustuhan nyo yung Padre Pio Shrine, and I know one of these days pupuntahan nyo yung lugar na yan. Napakaganda guys talaga, promise. And yun lang guys, I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, bye!